Hi everyone, welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. It's October 1st and that means it's time for another new release product video. So the item I'm showing you today is the Comic Halftone Oval Background Stamp. This stamp is designed to fit perfectly onto an A2 card front. When you stamp this image, you're going to have just a slight border around all four edges, about 1/8 of an inch. So I thought that I would just stamp this out for you very quickly and just show you one of the easiest ways that I found for stamping A2 size background stamps. I like to use a stamping platform, and then I just use a cut down piece of A2 white cardstock. I add some removable adhesive onto the back and I line that up onto the Comic Halftone Oval background stamp. I close my stamping platform, and then when I open it up I can adjust my panel so that it's straight, and I'll go ahead and ink that up so that you can see what this stamp looks like. It has these perfect comic style dots that kind of make up this whole ring background of ovals. So I created a card using the Comic Halftone Oval background stamp, and I stamped this with purples at the center and blues at the outside so that it would look like a cool nighttime wintry scene. So that is the Comic Halftone Oval background stamp. It's available in the shop now. Thanks for watching. Bye!